In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create estimate in Freshbooks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a polished estimate, review the totals with confidence, and either save it for later or send it off to your client right away. First, sign into your account and head to the dashboard. If you're navigating from elsewhere, use the left-hand menu to make sure you're on the dashboard view. This is your home base and the quickest place to start new documents. From the dashboard, look for the Create New button near the top of the page and click it. A small menu will appear. Choose Estimate. This opens a fresh estimate draft where you'll enter all the details that your client will see. Start by adding your logo. Click the logo area and upload your file. A clean, high-resolution logo helps your estimate look professional and on brand. If you don't have one handy, you can continue without it and come back later, but adding it now keeps everything consistent. Next, select the client for this estimate. Use the client dropdown to choose the correct contact from your list. Double check you've selected the right one so the estimate is addressed properly and goes to the correct inbox when you're ready to send. Now add your first line item. Click Add a line to insert a new row. In the item name field, enter a clear, concise title for what you're estimating, something your client will instantly recognize. Then, in the description area, add any helpful context. This is where you can outline what's included, key assumptions, or the scope for that specific item so there's no confusion later. After that, add the rate for this line. Enter the price that applies to the item you just described. Make sure it reflects the arrangement you discussed with your client so your numbers match their expectations. Take a moment to review the estimate total. FreshBooks calculates it for you based on what you've entered, so scan the total to ensure everything looks right. If something seems off, adjust the line details before moving on. When you're happy with the estimate, click It is to store it as a draft. Saving protects your work and lets you revisit the document to fine-tune wording or pricing before it goes out. If you're ready to share it, use Send To deliver the estimate directly to your client. You can include a short, friendly message that sets the context, then send it with confidence. That's it. Your estimate is created, reviewed, and ready to go.